For the question f of x, this equation, x squared plus x minus 6 divided by x plus 2. And I was asked to determine what is the domain and the range. And then first graph this function. And so first we determine the vertical asymptote would be -2 because -2 plus 2 is 0. And then there will be a dotted line around here. And then this is oblique asymptote, so just replace x just anywhere on the x-axis, and you will get the positive line, and then find a negative line, negative point on the x-axis, and you will graph a negative line like this. So first, the domain of this graph would be anything greater than 2 and anything smaller than -3. And the range will be all real numbers for the y-axis. Then the types of asymptote is vertical and oblique asymptote. For the equation for the vertical asymptote will be x plus 2, and the oblique asymptote would just use the polynomial long division just to divide all these together, and we'll get x minus 1. The x and y intercept is just replace the x and the y into 0, and you will get the x-intercept of 2 and -3, and y-intercept of -3. And then the positive and negative interval. I think there's only positive interval, so it'll be it will be x, and it'll be an area around here that will be between the -3 and +2. And last, the end behavior around vertical horizontal asymptote, it will be from quadrant 3 to quadrant 1.